Hello, welcome to Paeonia Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting Paeonia Roses today. We took out a decent sized planting hole here. We're going to pick one of these chaps to plant. Paeonia Roses are fantastic. You know, when they come out, they're absolutely spectacular. We're going to show you the varieties we're choosing from. There's a variety called Angel Cheeks, and it's gorgeous colours, pink and I suppose faded and soft pink and fragrant. So ready to flower. So that's Paeonia Angel Cheeks. Do tell, it's got big ruffled flowers like that. Flowers a bit later, so it's mid to late summer. This one's earlier, so Angel Cheeks is earlier. Do tell is later, so midsummer. And then of course Bowl of Beauty, very popular. Paeonia Rose, always perfect shaped bowl, standing. This is the time of year to plant them, and there's so many to choose from. That's Big Ben, and Big Ben it's fragrant as well. I suppose a fully double cerise pink, but very strongly scented, enormous flowers, ready to pop open. We're looking forward to that. And of course Raspberry Sunday, ruffled flowers again, and pink and white with a little hint of yellow. All make fantastic cut flowers. Raspberry Sunday is fragrant. And then Bowl of Love, perfectly shaped bowl, standing ready to flower as well. So we're looking forward to all these flowering. We're going to just choose one now to plant. Hard to know who we want to plant here, but I think we plant this one. This is Big Ben, and Big Ben ready to pop open. Enormous flowers, big double flowers like that, large and sweetly scented. So early midsummer flowering. So decent sized planting hole. We mixed in some well compost at the bottom of the planting hole. A couple of handfuls of Super Thrive. Many of you have been asking me about this. What are you saying? What are you using when you're planting? The product for planting your plants is Super Thrive. Planting fertilizer reduces transplant shock, builds plant vigor, and slowly released for the plant. So very important fertilizer when you're planting all your hedging and trees, Paeonia Roses, perennial flowers, and shrubs. So now with nice planting hole made out. Who had we got here? We have Big Ben. We're going to take Big Ben out of his pot now and settle it in here. And we have a mixture of swell compost and soil for back in around it as well. So out he comes out of his pot now. Roots aren't too compacted, and we have a nice bit of swell compost and soil for back in around Big Ben. And Big Ben will be here for at least the next 300 years, because when you plant the Paeonia Rose, it's a very long-lived perennial that will be with you for years and years to come. But have a look in the web shop, whole range of Paeonia Roses in there. The varieties we mentioned are fantastic and reliable and do very well. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.